Welcome to this makeover. This little farmhouse table was given a pop of color using Dixie Belle chalk mineral paint in the color Evergreen. I started by giving the table a good clean, and now I am applying the first coat of the chalk mineral paint onto the piece. There was no priming involved. You can apply it directly onto the wood. You can see here how bright and pretty the color Evergreen is. It honestly was the perfect color for this table. Before applying my second coat of paint, I like to very lightly dampen my brush with water. This allows the paint to go on very smoothly. I use a spray bottle just to quickly spray it with water before applying the second coat. Using a sanding sponge, I go over the edges of the piece and distress. This gives it a little bit of interest. To seal the piece and to give it a lovely finish, I apply Dixie Belle's Best Dang Wax in Clear. I then take a very soft rag and very lightly and gently buff out the wax. This creates a beautiful, smooth finish and also protects the paint. I'm putting the original hardware back on the table, and I am giving it a quick clean using Brasso. You just take a very old toothbrush and give it a good scrub, and I then rinse it. This creates a really pretty look on your hardware. I didn't want it to look brand spanking new, and I only gave it a very quick clean, and you can see here how it looks aged and really sets off the piece beautifully. I hope you've enjoyed this makeover. If you have, please head over to my YouTube channel, The Painted Drawer, and subscribe.